Hey everyone! So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to clean the tarnish off of silverware or silver jewelry using things that you'd find lying around your kitchen. The piece that I'm holding up right now is what we're going to use to clean in this video. As you can see, the pendant has developed a bit of a rainbow sheen, and it's become quite a bit darker than the bright silver that it used to be. So let's get started cleaning this up. First, you're going to need 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt, a large piece of aluminum foil, and a pot. For step 1, we're going to take our large piece of aluminum foil and just use it to coat the bottom of our pot. Don't worry if the foil doesn't cover the entire pot, it's not a big deal. Next, we're going to take our 2 cups of water and pour that into the pot. Then we're going to take our baking soda and throw that into the pot. We'll do the same with our salt. Just go ahead and toss that in with everything. Then optionally, we can take a spoon and just go ahead and stir those contents together inside the pot. Next, you're going to want to place your pot on a burner if it isn't already there, and we're going to set it to high heat for now. We want the water in the pot to be decently hot, somewhere between a pre-boil and a very light boil. For this, I waited roughly 2 to 3 minutes while the burner was on high heat. Then, when our mixture is decently hot, we can go ahead and place our silver piece into the mixture. Here I'm using a spoon just to separate all the pieces of this necklace. Now, we're going to want to wait 1 to 2 minutes for the tarnish to fall off of the piece. You want to make sure that your piece is in contact with the aluminum foil in order for this to work. I recommend taking your piece out of the water at the 1 or 2 minute mark, just to check and see how its progress has been. And if there's still some tarnish left on the piece, you can go ahead and drop it back in the mixture for another minute. Here I'm using a fork to pull out my pendant from the mixture. As you can see, this method has taken a significant amount of tarnish off of my pendant. For an optional last step, you can use a silver polishing cloth to achieve that extra silvery shine. I purchased the one I'm using here on Amazon, but you can also find these at other large stores like Target. So this is the final result of this silver tarnish removal method. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy cleaning!